To show or hide app list in Start menu in Windows 10 Home, open Settings, click or tap Start menu icon, and then click or tap Settings icon, and then select Personalization. Select Start, and then to show app list in Start menu, tap switch until on, or to hide, tap switch until off. If you turn on, when you click or tap Start, app list will be shown. If you turn off, app list will be hide. Or right click on empty area in desktop and then select Personalize, and then select Start, and then tap show app list on in Start menu, tap switch until on to show, or tap switch until off to hide. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.